About to reset your TP-Link router? Back up your settings first. I'll show you how to save and restore your Wi-Fi passwords and more in minutes. Download configuration backup file. First, connect your TP-Link router using Wi-Fi or wired from mobile or laptop. Open web browser and access 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net. Use your router admin password to log in. After login, go to Advanced tab from top menu. Then go to System and then click Backup and Restore option. Now press Backup button to download current configuration backup file. Save file to drive. Now you can factory reset your router if you wish to reset all settings. Press Factory Restore button and confirm OK. Restore configuration backup file. Log in router again after factory reset. Quit Setup Wizard and go to Advanced tab. Under Advanced tab, go to System, then go to Backup and Restore. Now click on File box and select configuration file you downloaded. Now press Restore button, and when pop-up open, press Restore button again to confirm restore configurations. After restore completed, router will reboot and take 2 to 3 minutes to complete process. After reboot, finish login router and check all configuration should be restored. That's it. You have successfully download and restore configuration. Now you're protected against accidental resets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more video. Thanks for watching.